In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert numbers into text format in Microsoft Excel, which can be incredibly useful for ensuring your data is interpreted correctly by the software. Let's dive right into a practical example to illustrate why this can be important. Imagine you're looking at a sample table where you have a building number listed alongside the number of students from the last 8 sections. At the bottom of this table, there's a formula designed to calculate the total number of students across all 5 entries. Now let's say you decide that you want to add the building number to this particular column. If you leave this building number in its default numeric format, Excel might mistakenly include it in the total calculation. That's definitely not what we want, as it would distort the total by adding a building identifier to what should purely be a student count. So, to avoid running into this issue, we need to convert the building number into a text format. Here's how you can do that, step by step. First, you need to focus on the cell containing your building number. This is the number you want Excel to treat as text rather than as a numeric value. Next, navigate to the top of your Excel window where you'll find the toolbar. You're looking for the drop-down menu labeled Number Format. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it to reveal your format options. From the list of available formats, select the option labeled Text. By doing this, you're informing Excel to interpret the number in that cell as text. The practical advantage of converting numbers to text in this way is that it ensures these numbers are not accidentally included in any calculations. For instance, if your building numbers have leading zeros, like 005, Excel will maintain these zeros when in text format. This is important for record keeping, as it preserves the intended number format. Plus, it means your building number won't be mistakenly added to the student totals at the bottom of your spreadsheet column. Now, if you look back at your table, you should see that your building number appears correctly in the cell you selected as 005, or however your original number was formatted. Crucially, it's no longer affecting the student total at the bottom column. And that's it. You've successfully converted a number into text format in Microsoft Excel. This minor adjustment can be incredibly helpful for keeping your data precise and ensuring your calculations remain accurate. Whether you're working with building numbers, product codes, or any other identifiers, turning them into text can save you plenty of potential headaches. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it insightful and easy to follow.